A new build with 6 bedrooms, 5 baths, stunning finishings, and year-round lake views is incredibly hard to find until now. This gorgeous new construction home features just under 4,500 square feet in Port Achima and offers stunning finishings including quartz countertops, custom white oak cabinetry, custom tile in the bathrooms, high-end lighting, 2 oversized living spaces with stunning fireplaces, and so much more. This home has the wow factor from top to bottom. So if you'd love to live here, give me a call today to schedule your own private tour. And don't worry, by the time you get here, this will be grass.